the total journey we started. This is all 15 days program is organized, and totally Hujjaj Akram applied for this 2025 Hajj was 11,000 change applications we received. Out of that, 2,000 people cancelled, and totally this time without any waiting list, all of them got selected, and totally 8,600 Hujjaj Akram has flown out of Bangalore. This is a only embarkation point, and we have this time from throughout the state people have been selected Bangalore embarkation point, and some of them like Bidar and Gulbarga, they have flown out of Hyderabad, and some from Andhra and Tamil Nadu also. They have selected Bangalore embarkation point. They have selected Bangalore embarkation point only because the arrangements done here are very good, and it is a very organized way. I think in entire India, Karnataka State Hajj Committee stands number first, because we have taken care of Hajis right from their application to Bangalore to Bangalore. Like they fly out of Bangalore, they go to Medina. They from Medina they go to Makkah. From Makkah they go to Arfat. It is a 5 days Hajj program, and again they come back to Makkah, and again from Makkah they come back to Bangalore. So these the entire 40 days program which is organized. Alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah, it has been the best. Karnataka State Hajj Committee is rewarded as the best organized Hajj Committee, because we take care of the small minute requirement of the Hajis. So
before you started the Hajj thing, I mean, you had a marathon race. How this concept came up, and what was the main intention behind this?
last year in the Hajj, because of too much of heat, 50 degrees was heat, and most of the Hajis, they couldn't even walk. So what happened, most of them fainted. They couldn't even walk. So we thought this time we have to make them ready for the walkathon. So we planned, for the Hajis, that if they're not prepared to walk, because there's a lot of walking is required there, and most of them aged people who go there, their situation will be so panicky, and they will be in restless because of the heat, because we are not addicted to such a huge heat. So we thought we'll give the training for the Hajis who are going out of Bangalore and Karnataka. And we started with this, and from Bangalore we have around 3,500 Hajis flying out only from Bangalore. So in that walkathon, around 1,000 people participated.
So you said about the weather condition, because they need to get acclimated to the weather condition. How do you see once they have been landed in Medina? So have you seen how the weather changes have been? Did they call you back saying, like, did you get interaction with them? Did you talk to them on
Yeah. But daily we have a coordinating team there. We have selected 51 Hajj inspectors who are working day and night, and they give me hourly basis. They are giving me reports, and any small minute thing is happening over there to Hajis, they take care. And from regarding weather part, regarding rooms, and regarding food part, everything they are taking care. So everything they are keeping me updated about.
any
all those
technical
things.
issues they face, like after going there, any problems over there did they face over there?
No problems. See, this is a very huge organized Hajj throughout, from the entire world. People will come and participate in this Hajj. So it's quite obvious that we have to take care of even the minute thing of our people who go out of Karnataka and India.
So my last question: how has been the response from the government of Karnataka?
My leader, Mr. BZ Zamir Ahmad Khan, who has been very generous, and who has been from before he became MLA and minister, he has been helping to the Hajis. And with this duas, by grace of Allah, he has become the tallest leader in the nation. I mean, he is being restlessly helping the Hajis with regards to, first he started giving buses to the Hajis in the year 1996 with one Mr. Saeed, is like a brother he is, and Zamir Saab started giving buses. After that, he became MLA. After that, he used to send lot of people to the Hajj. And after that, those who were working here as a volunteers, around out of 1,500 volunteers, 1,300 volunteers he sent for Umrah. And apart from that, he has organized those people who come out of Bangalore. They come here, they stay here, so they will have a food problem. they won't get food here, and most of them, they come from the villages. It will be not affordable for them to get food, and it will be very costly here. So he thought, from past 10 years he's been organized langar, we call langar. It is a mass food for everybody, whoever comes with the to drop hajis. Here in Hajj committee, we give food 3 times food only for the hajis. We don't give food for the people who come with the hajis. So with hajis, at least one bus comes to drop the hajis. So daily around 25 to 30,000 people, by grace of Allah, we provide food for them, 3 times food, and also we give them accommodation from Hajj committee. So Zamir Saab has been very generous, and he's been a leader, a very tallest leader in the nation, who has been helping Hajis. And not only for the Hajis, he's been very generous to, irrespective of caste and creed, he has been helping the people. And it is his, by heart he does. Whatever he does by his heart.
So my last question, 2025 Hajj Karnataka, from the Hajj Bhavan, what are you going to learn and what plans are you going to implement in 2026?
See, this time our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Sidramaya, our DCM, Mr. DK Shiv Kumar sir, and our Hajj Minister, Mr. Rahim Khan sahab. This time we are, the new thing what we are going to do for the 2026 is 3 new Hajj committees are going to come. One is in Mangalore, and the other one is in Gulbarga, and the third one is in Bidar. So 3 new Hajj Bhavans are going to come in Karnataka, which is a historical thing, because till now we have only one Hajj Bhavan in Karnataka, that is in Bangalore. So now we are going to build 3 new Hajj Bhavans. I thank all the volunteers, I thank all the officials, I thank each and every department who have been cooperating, who have been working day and night for the cause of the Hajis, and just these are the volunteers who are doing without any, I mean, without any cause, without any expectation. So without any expectation, they have been doing. They leave their jobs, they put holidays, they leave their businesses, and they work for 20 to 30 days. It is a tremendous thing, and Alhamdulillah, Allah will reward for them.